This place, I knew I had to give it all I had, and every day I do. I've always said that I think it would be really special to come to a French Quarter institution one day and reinvent the food that inspired me. If you're going to recreate something, a classic dish, you better make it as good, if not better. It's all done respectfully. Like I say, it's important to respect the classics. We're always pushing for more. It's the spirit of creativity. It's the spirit of also being a classic New Orleans institution. The people take photographs of when they just walk by. They're not even eating here. But that they've heard of Brennan's. So it's the past and also the future that kind of motivates me. I'm Slade Rushing, the chef of Brennan's. Here I just made egg yolk carpaccio. Come get some.